Using Labret holding tweezers to change your jewellery safely. So you want to insert your nice new piece of jewellery. You simply pop the attachment off the top, leaving you with just the Labret post. Now it can be a struggle to get these in places like traguses when you're in the mirror and your fingers are in the way, so the Labret holding tweezers are perfect for this. You pop them in the end, just in the slot, and apply pressure until it clicks into the lock position. It then holds it nice and secure. You can then take your hands out of the way using the tweezers to guide the jewellery in from the back. These are also super handy for things like nostrils, where you need to insert the jewellery from the inside and can't necessarily see the hole on the inside. Once in, grab your attachment, firmly push it back into place, and you've fitted your new jewellery. They can also be used to remove jewellery as well, if you can't get your fingers in an area like forward helix or tragus. Simply pop the Labret holding tweezers on, click them closed, and use them to pull the jewellery out nice and safely. I hope this helped.